Hey everyone, it is yours truly, Mr. Robert Watts, Dr. Rob, and just wanted to say, hey, it's been a minute since I've had an actual video posted or shared. I know I've done some little short self-made commercials in reference to a workshop coming up. So I've got several things coming up, so you want to make sure that you are on the lookout for that. Now that is a workshop on September 23rd, 24th. Work is the key word, and that the goal for that weekend workshop is to prepare those who have the desire, have started writing their scripts for their books, and they desire to produce and publish a book. So after that weekend is over, I want to make sure you're in position to get ready to publish your work. So you got to get registered. There's only 11 spots. Several of them, a few of them are being spoken for. So that leaves maybe 9 or 8. So jump on it if you're serious. A lot of people are always asking about doing it, but they're not doing anything. Continuously an idea or thought or I wish or one day, and I got so many ideas, but really not taking a step to move forward. And I try to make it simple and easy. Payment plan, if you need that, you can just reach out to me. Also, the book itself, my latest book, just this past couple of weeks ago, came back from my mini book tour in Atlanta, Georgia, and in St. Louis. So thank you to all of those who showed up. But I have not done one here at home in the Chicagoland area. So I will probably try to set up something in the next week or two, just to be able to connect with all my home folks. And all of you who have shared and congratulate, you can be able to come out and see me personally and get your copy. The book is, of course, all my books are always a simple read. That's the kind of books I like. That's how I write, kind of straight to the point, short. But it deals with 7 principles. Acronym of purpose, perspective, understanding, responsibility. Why is my mind going blank? So perspective, understanding, irresponsibility, dealing with the satisfaction, dealing with opportunities, your expectations. So all of these are dealt with in the book. Short, simple read, to the point, and it's about an intentionality, being intentional on your mindset and your day-to-day lifestyle, just being intentional in reference to being purposeful. So living life in purpose, on purpose is the title of the book, and I want to see you personally. Whenever I set that up, I will definitely share it when we get ready to do a live book signing here in the Chicagoland area. So hopefully I can do that in the next couple of weeks, set up something simple. All right. But anyway, you be blessed. Have a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day out here on this Monday. And I hope wherever you are that things are going well for you. And if there are some challenges, know that God definitely hears you. He's there with you, and He will see you through. All right. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And I mean that in every aspect of your life. Don't forget, live life in purpose, on purpose.